Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a journey where you're the captain of your own adventure? Picture this: a world where the only schedule you follow is your own, where you can immerse yourself in new cultures, landscapes, and experiences at your own pace. Welcome to the empowering world of solo travel, a realm championed by Wanderlust by Kai. In this vast world of ours, there are some destinations that naturally lend themselves to solo travel. Picture the stunning landscapes of Iceland, a haven for those seeking a safe environment and a connection to nature in its most raw forms. Or perhaps your heart is calling you to the adventure-packed terrains of New Zealand, a playground for hiking, bungee jumping, and kayaking against a backdrop of breathtaking scenery. Maybe it's the blend of tradition and modernity in Japan that captivates you, a country known for its safety, cleanliness, and well-organized transportation system. Or the friendly locals, beautiful beaches, and rich history of Portugal that beckon you. Each of these destinations offers a unique solo travel experience waiting for you to write your own adventure. But as thrilling as solo travel can be, safety remains paramount. It's crucial to stay connected, informing someone about your travel plans and checking in regularly. Being aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded places, and avoiding the display of expensive items can help you stay safe. And remember, travel insurance isn't just about health. It covers lost luggage, trip cancellations, and other unforeseen events. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it's time to move on. In this digital age, technology is a steadfast companion for the solo traveler. Apps like Google Maps, TripIt, and Duolingo enhance your journey, offering navigation, itinerary organization, and language learning. A portable Wi-Fi device ensures connectivity, while a local SIM card can be a reliable and economical option for longer stays. And let's not forget about packing smart. A good quality backpack or suitcase and a light load can make all the difference. Solo travel is a journey, yes, but it's also a personal revolution. It challenges you, changes you, and leaves you with stories that are uniquely yours. It's a chance to step out of your comfort zone, meet new people, and learn about different cultures. Embrace the solitude, enjoy the freedom, and let your journey shape you. So are you ready to pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let the world reveal its wonders to you? If you're eager to embark on your solo adventure but need a little guidance, Wanderlust by Kai is here to help. From choosing destinations to crafting safe and fulfilling itineraries, we're here to make your solo travel dream a reality. Visit us at wanderlustbykai.com and let your solo journey begin.